In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an edit on Kartra website. We'll begin right at your Kartra dashboard. This is your control center, and it's where you'll access everything related to your site. From here, look to the left sidebar and click Pages. That opens the Pages section where you can manage every page in your account. Next, choose All Pages so you have the full list in front of you. This view is especially handy if you manage multiple funnels or sites because it shows everything in one place and makes it easy to find what you need. Now, click the page you want to work on. That will open the page in the builder where you can make changes confidently, knowing you're editing the right asset. Inside the builder, start by clicking Sites. Think of this as the area for anything that affects your broader site structure, like shared headers, footers, or navigation. It's a good place to confirm the page is connected to the right site level elements before you fine-tune the details. Move over to Settings. Here you'll find page-specific options such as titles, descriptions, and other foundational controls. It's the place to make sure your page is clearly identified and properly configured behind the scenes so your edits work as expected. Next, click Styles. This is where you adjust the look and feel, colors, fonts, and spacing. If you want visual consistency, set these first so every section you touch follows the same design rules, keeping your brand unified. Then, click Components. This is your toolbox of building blocks, sections, rows, text, buttons, forms, and more. Use this area to add, arrange, or refine the individual elements on the page. Small, incremental edits here often produce the cleanest results. Finally, click AI. This assists with crafting or refining on-page content and layouts. Use it to speed up writing, brainstorm variations, or polish copy while keeping your brand tone in mind. That's it. From the dashboard to Pages into All Pages, then your chosen page, and through Sites, Settings, Styles, Components, and AI, you now know exactly where to go to make an edit on your Kartra website.